Bro, don't try to fix that shit. Sounded good, bro. Don't need no new parts. Back here, it's pretty scuffed up, pretty bad. And I would say this front is pretty fucked up. That's crazy. That's good fitment right there. So the reason the vlog that was late Thursday, which is actually today for me right now, is because I just got call that Harold's car is actually finished and ready to go. So instead of being able to edit and post that video today or post it on time, we are going to be going to pick up Harold's car, getting it back, and I believe the carbon fiber fenders are now installed, so this is going to be super cool to get it back and let the BRZ and the SI see each other again since the incident. And the wait is finally over. The wait of driving Harold to work as much as I can, taking him places, him getting rides. He's finally getting his car back, so I'm super excited for him. And let's go. I'm already super late.
Ready? No. You see I'm dropping the Honda Civic though, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I mean, I like those.
Yeah, they're huge. We gotta get you on some big brake kits.
Very shiny.
Well, now I know how to install them, so we'll do it.
271 cash, yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Oh man, I saw it. Did you see it?
Hold on.
Did you see it?
I kind of got a peek before I stepped around this corner.
Yeah.
I thought I thought the front bumper was done. I thought like he wasn't gonna be able to.
Yeah, you put it back on.
I don't know why. Well, because I didn't see it the last time we visited. Please, I ain't seen it. Oh!
What?
Are the fenders on there?
Yeah,
oh my god!
Oh my god.
You lying.
Oh yeah.
That looks clean with the...
Oh my god.
I could just see the darkness from here.
Man.
Dang. That, whoa.
Dude.
That is literally so perfect.
Dude,
like,
the carbon on carbon is sick.
Yeah, because it doesn't have that gap like at all.
We gotta get a lot of this, all of his carbon like
redone stuff. I can
redone.
get that fixed.
Even the hood needs to get fixed.
Yeah. But like,
man,
what? That like,
wow,
that
the carbon fenders
blends so like.
Dude, the carbon fiber fenders is sick.
Yeah, that's a lot better than.
Oh, you're missing a side mirror though. He said, I'm still taking it. What?
I have not felt this key in so long.
Oh, you missed your
Hello.
key.
Oh, it still works.
Of course it's.
Oh my god. Oh my god. First start up.
Yeah.
I would have left it here another day.
Oh, it's
I have
back.
not heard that in a while, bro. I have not heard this exhaust in a while, bro.
You know that feeling of not having your carbon seat?
For three now?
Three
Sorry.
now? Yeah, 3. Oh my god.
Everything's literally as I left it. The seat's still the same.
Oh.
Definitely time for a little deep cleanse. When did he say the mirrors are? Saturday?
That's
Hold
fine.
on. I mean, technically I don't need them.
Yeah.
Technically they still work. I mean, like they're fine to
Yeah,
me.
they're still glass.
You know what I'm saying? Like it's just.
Dude, the carbon looks good. This is gonna need some repairing, but. Oh my god, that's so cool. Leave right. There's a whole dog over there running over here. It's got like 3 legs. Oh no, he just be walking mad funky. Man, I'm really happy for Harold. He's got his car back. Oh. Oh man, that boy almost got hit again.
Hey, hold on a second. Hold on.
I saw that.
Stop. I had to stop. Don't want me to
Yes. Ooh. Alright, It's a couple days later. Harold has had his SI back for
Monday.
So it's been like 4 days. All right.
Yeah.
So he's got his car back. How's it felt? Have it back.
I feel free.
I feel like you still don't have a side mirror, but
Yeah, but we don't have to look at that one.
we need to wait for the new shell to come in, and then SUMA Performance is sending us a new piece of glass here that's a wide angle, blue tinted with turn signals, I believe. So that should be really nice.
So it's the glass itself that has the light on it?
Yeah. So it should work. So you can see the bumper still has a little bit here, but we got a new one for that. We got stuff to take care of that. And these two cars haven't seen each other in a while. Are they friends?
No. Stay away. Stay away.
These two cars are.
Don't go near him. Don't go near him.
Stay back.
He's crazy. Heck no.
Look, you got Brembo Brakes now to protect you.
Yes, and then next I will be getting race brakes as well.
Oh yeah,
but just race brakes in general.
Oh, you just want a big brake kit?
This is very and then I'll change out everything.
We'll be taking care of these wheels soon. All right, let's go for a ride. I want to see how this feels. If this car still feels like a Civic Si. I wanted to give Harold a couple days to make sure the car ran correctly after getting it back.
All right. First, I haven't driven it since we got it back, so
No, that's
obviously
not true. he had to get an alignment because it was pretty off. And then
yeah.
oh, it feels so nice to be back in this car.
I'm saying.
All right, car runs good. Feels great. I don't feel anything wrong with it.
Just don't look at this back.
Yeah, obviously we have quite a bit of things to do here. The wheels are all scratched up. We got new wheels from Anovia that we're gonna be putting on this car in the next 2 videos. And you got Harold here on his chair.
Chilling.
He's just chilling as he gets his car built by Risen and me. You know, we're taking care of this thing. We got our sponsors Anovia and SUMA Performance on this build, so we're really stoked to have this car back. A lot to do. This is about to take a full transformation, and I cannot wait till it's done. That's gonna pretty much wrap up today's video. We're gonna go home now and basically film the next video you guys will be seeing of the build plan for the SI, because we need to get all of Harold's parts out of my dining room. It's taking a lot of room, and we're getting new roommates, and they're not a big fan of all the car parts in the dining room. So me and Harold are gonna work on getting all his parts out and laying them out and talking about each part that we're gonna do along with each part that is currently on the car, so you guys know basically what the SI build is and how it's going down. So stay tuned for that. And that is gonna be all I have for you guys today. So if you guys enjoyed today's video and you guys are happy that the SI is back, go ahead and drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll get cracking on this build, and we will never stop dreaming.